Hi, my name is Eileen Moy and I'm an acupuncturist at the Unova Center. Today I'm going to show you how to safely do moxibustion therapy at home. But before we begin, let me explain a little bit about what this therapy is. So moxibustion therapy is also called moxa, and it is an adjunctive therapy that your practitioner may incorporate in your acupuncture session. Now, this modality is very warming and can help stimulate your acupuncture points by helping move the qi and blood. This can be used for regulating your menstruation. It can be used to help with any kind of digestive issue. And sometimes people will use this for any kind of injury or aches and pains. However, it's not for everyone, so please make sure you speak with your practitioner and make sure this is the right modality for you. Now let's get started. These are the items that you'll need to get started. A lighter or a candle to help light your moxa stick, a small plate or dish to help you ash your moxa, and in order to extinguish your moxa, you need a small glass filled with uncooked rice or salt, and if you don't have that, look for a glass mason jar with a lid. You'll also need a small damp towel to place under the treatment area. There are two types of moxa sticks that your practitioner may provide for you. The first type is more of a cigar-like type, and this one creates it can create a little bit of smoke, so you want to be in a well-ventilated area. Either crack open a window, or if you're able to go outside, I would highly suggest that. That might make it a more enjoyable experience for you. But if that is not a possible option, then you may want to ask your practitioner if they have a charcoalized version or a smokeless moxa. In order to light this cigar type moxa, peel off this first paper layer. This is meant to just protect the structural integrity of the moxa stick and is not meant to be lit. So make sure you tear off the paper at the end so that what is exposed is this light or white paper that wraps around the herb. For the charcoal moxa, this can take a little bit more time to light up, so I would suggest possibly using a gas stove range to help you light this up, or you can use a mini torch or a creme brulee torch, and that will light this up a little bit quicker. Light one end of the moxa stick by holding it over a candle flame or lighter. The lit end should glow once it is lit and should feel pleasantly warm when held an inch or two from the skin. Now, to make sure you get an even burn, slowly rotate the moxa stick in the candle flame. Hold the moxa stick about an inch from the treatment area. You'll be moving slowly back and forth in a spiral or a pecking motion. Remember to ash your moxa stick frequently, and in order to do so, you want to roll this into a point in your glass dish. Be sure not to tap, as moxa can be very fragile and this can create little breaks or cracks in the stick. So just be very gentle when you are ashing and rolling this into a point. This can also help you direct the heat a little bit more precisely once it's in a point. And you can do this very comfortably over the air treatment area. When you're finished doing moxa, you want to ash your stick one last time before fully placing the lit end into the glass of rice or salt. Now, even though this is extinguished, leave your moxa stick alone for a few minutes because it can still be very hot. Ideally, you'll spend about 20 to 30 minutes every day doing your moxa. If 20 minutes is not a possibility, then try to aim for at least 10 to 20 minutes. And if you can't do this every day, then I suggest or encourage you to do this at least 3 to 4 times a week. Try to do each side equally for the best results. If you need some suggestions or would love for your practitioner to guide you with how to do this therapy, reach out to us at unova.com. We're offering virtual consultations and would love to help you.